I know we've been kind of slow with working on the Miata as well as teaching how to do a race bike, but hopefully that's all going to change. Drake has moved back home. He's down here in Tennessee now. After a wonderful season with Moto America, he came in second in points with the Twins Cup. So picked up this Rabbit really on a trade. We had a older Volkswagen that we traded, and it just didn't run and never got around to fixing it. So I decided to pick this up, and hopefully we're going to turn it into some sort of race car. Drake's pretty excited about it too. We're planning to have the same power to weight ratio as his motorcycle. In its life, needs a little TLC, you know, mostly just a coat of wax and maybe some new tires. Let me show you what we have under the hood, which is pretty exciting. We have tons of potential. We can put whatever we'd like in here. So it looks like somebody was trying to turn this into a show car. The door handles have started to been filled, as well as some of the marker lights. So this may be interesting. We may have to unshowify it. Is that a word? This is gonna be so much fun. This thing doesn't weigh anything. Once we get the motor in here, I'm guessing we're probably gonna be somewhere around like under 1,000 pounds with the motor, roll cage, probably a full tank of gas. If you put 2,000 horsepower, sorry, 200 horsepower in a 1,000-pound car, I mean, this thing's gonna be an absolute riot. So initially, I'm thinking of going gray and green, probably like a battleship gray, like a very unassuming gloss gray with like a hunter green, British racing green metallic, like two-tone, or satin black, matte black, something like that. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Installed a vent window, got the engine back in. So just a matter of buttoning it up and fluids and get it put on, or get it turned on. Need to order wheels, tires, that kind of stuff for this. We're probably going to take these wheels and put them on the Rabbit. So either on the Rabbit, or we will, I've got some lightweight, I think Inky or Motegi wheels in the basement. We may put those on as well. They're both the same bolt pattern. So we'll see what we're going to do. Not really sure what the plan is with it. Right now we're thinking probably a carbureted 16 valve, just, you know, try to get around 200 horsepower. We may go 1.8 turbo swap out of a newer, like a Mark IV, Jetta, Golf, something like that. So literally possibilities are endless. Yeah, stay tuned. If you have any ideas on what we should do to it, feel free to comment below.